morning we woke up at Picton, in Picton, on a bit of a cloudy, rainy morning, and we're on our way to Nelson. Picton's up there, Nelson's up there, and stopped in this place called Momorangi, little bay on the Queen Charlotte Drive, which is just incredible, just phenomenal. Very windy, so not recommended if you get car sick. And slow going, but just around every corner the view is like this. Just have a look around. Just amazing. What a place. Oh yeah, the reason we stopped here is because there's a really cool little bushwalk just into the hills here, follows a little creek up, over a bridge, back down. There's really some interesting stuff. That was very cool to do and very highly recommended.
So that's what it looks like.
I'm going to try number.
Please turn me till the message plays.
Whoa. What's that one, Sophie?
That's pretty spectacular. Straight down the sound.
Straight down the sound. The viewpoint at Cullen's Point. Cullen's Point?
Yeah.
Cullen's Point. Just up the hill from the town of Havelock. That is pretty spectacular.
Bit of garlic and cheese. No.
Following the dealer.
The diva.
Following the weaver. Hey, the weaver.
So this is the Pics peanut butter factory. Little coffee shop downstairs. And found some treasures here. Check this out. Peanut butter and jelly chocolate. That's just insane. Sophie spotted something fun here. Peanut butter and chocolate butter. Yeah. Queen's Garden in Nelson. What a nice place. Bunya tree. Huh. Very cool. Totally not sure what this one's called, but we decided to call it the octopus tree. I'm not entirely sure how this works. Looks like it's got a massive scab over the trunk.
But then they like doing deep foods on them.
Look, this succulent has got like little devil horns. The bridge to Brigadoon. The shape of a vase. Maybe it's a honey pot. Do you think it's Pooh's honey pot?
Maybe it's in the poo.
Well,
You think he's on the other side?
you can try water free. It's kind of fun.
I think his name is Tyrone. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Actually, quite funny that he thought he was going to.
Hello.
Look at these turtle shells.
What's your name? What's up? What's up?
Hey, chocolate.
Yummy, yummy. GoPro, take a photo. Mapua. Such a cool little place. Nice. I just noticed that the tide, this is not a river, this is just tidal. It's going pretty fast. That is insane.